Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Arijit Debna and this is the ninth video on file handling. So in this video, we will be learning about how to rename a file using the function rename. Okay, so let me write the syntax first. So the syntax is rename, then inside the parenthesis in double quotes I will write the old file name, and after that I have to write the new file name. So this is the syntax of it. Now I will write a program to show you how it works. So at first I will show you the file which I want to rename. So this is the file. It is a.txt. It is a text file. Here is the extension of it. So I will change this file name from a.txt to b.txt. Okay. So let's see what is the content of the file. See, here is written rename this file. Now let me come back to the compiler and I will write here rename, then the old file name, that is a.txt, then the new file name. Okay, I will rename it as b.txt. So this is the function. Now what we'll do, I have to use here an if block. Okay, so what this if block does is, if my file gets renamed successfully, then this function, okay, this function will return 0, and if this function returns 0, so 0 equal to 0, the condition will be true. So if it is true, then it will print file renamed successfully, right? And in the else I will print error in file renaming. Okay, so let's see it works or not. Let me compile it at first. Program 9 and run. So it says file renamed successfully. Now let me check the folder. See, here it was at first B, and now this file name gets renamed to b.txt. So I open the file and the file says rename this file. So here another thing to note, that when we are renaming this file, then the content of the file is not changed. It is staying the same as previous. Okay, so this is the function, rename function, with which we can rename the file. So now let me do one thing. I will delete this file. Okay, I just now deleted the file, and now let me change the file from b.txt to c.txt. Now here in this case my file is not present. Okay, now let's see what it returns. Run. Okay, so it says error in file renaming. So it's quite understanding that if the file is not present, then it cannot rename the file. So it says error in file renaming. So that's all for today's video. We will see in the next video some more operations. Until then, goodbye.